Mr. Deegan.
What are you doing?
What do you think about riding on the White House lawn?
Count me in, dude.
Oh man, count me in.
Heck yeah, let's arrange it.
I don't have anything on the 13th, dude. I'm honored.
I will 100% be there for you, buddy.
Ana, how you doing? You grabbed me at Power Slap and said, I want to do a backflip.
The south lawn of the White House, and I said,
Interesting. All right, let me see what I can do. It's done.
get your boys together and
Kick some ass, my friend.
Here we go, rolling in. White House right behind us. The ramps, the cage. We made it, we're here. Jumping at the White House today. It's gonna be badass. Let's roll. I don't know what Travis is gonna do on that big ass ramp, but
Thank you, America!
for the